Windows performance can be hit or miss. Microsoft tries its best to provide features that can help speed up your system, and this hidden feature is perhaps the best of them all. Sysmain can make your PC faster. Sysmain, previously called Superfetch, is a background service in Windows that regularly monitors the programs you use and loads them into memory to make your PC faster. The service runs as local system inside the svcost.exe process. To be clear, Sysmain won't magically make a sluggish PC run like brand new, but it can help improve your day-to-day Windows experience. However, the downside of loading programs into memory is that it uses system resources before they're necessary, causing a spike in your CPU and memory usage. Another problem can arise if you have limited CPU and memory to spare. If you're already maxing out your CPU or memory while your PC is idle, Sysmain will compete for system resources with any active programs you might have open already. Sysmain is set to start with Windows by default. Since it's not a core Windows feature, you can disable it without any stability issues. Just follow these steps. Press Windows key plus R to open the run prompt and type services DMSC. Hit enter when done. You can also search for services in the Start menu. Find the Sysmain service in the list and double-click it. Click the Stop button to stop the service if it's already running. You can also change the startup type drop-down to manual or disable to prevent the service from automatically starting when you boot into Windows. Sometimes disabling it is better. Depending on your PC's hardware configuration, sometimes disabling Sysmain can be better. On older hardware, Sysmain's attempt to make your PC faster can end up doing more harm than good. If you're using a PC with limited system resources or keep getting random spikes in CPU and memory usage, disabling Sysmain can help you improve performance. Whether you keep the feature enabled or disabled depends on how you use your PC and how much CPU power and RAM you have to spare. As mentioned before, disabling Sysmain won't break your system, so I highly encourage you to try it out yourself. Constantly loading programs into memory that you may or may not use can also wear out your SSD. If your SSD is being read by a system process several times a day without you using the loaded processes, it can affect your drive's lifespan and lead to more cost to repair parts of your PC down the line. So, as long as you have enough memory and a CPU that won't bog down when you've got a couple of programs running, I'd recommend leaving the service on. There's also a chance that Microsoft might roll out updates in the future that overhaul the feature, making it more useful overall.